Hey everyone, welcome back to my channel. In today's video, I'm going to be showing you all how I style my hair now that I have cut bangs in it. Yes, if you haven't seen the video, it will be linked in the cards above. So we are starting this wash and go on freshly washed hair. I used my Diva Curl No Poo Original Zero Lather Shampoo. Yes, I did. And then I followed that up with my Diva Curl 1 Conditioner. This is the original. Just to let you all know, this video is not sponsored. However, I truly love this product. Even when I put this conditioner in, I like to leave just a little bit in my hair because it makes my scalp and hair just feel so soft. I truly love it. So jumping right into the tutorial, we are starting off on 4 sections as always. And y'all know my sections is in no type of order whatsoever. I just throw them in there to make it manageable for me to start styling my hair. So if you've been following my hair tutorials for a while, you know that I love to apply all my product on soaking wet hair. So that's what we're about to do. We're going to take the spray bottle and spray this entire section. We want to make sure that we drench it from root to tip. Like just throw all the water on there, okay? Normally I would do this in the shower, but after I completely drown this section of my hair, I'm just going to take the palms of my hand and massage the water into every strand in this section. I want to make sure that my hair is soaking wet just like this. So while my hair is dripping wet just like this, the first product we're going to go in with is the Diva Curl Believe In Miracle Curl Plumper. Now, I don't know if it just looked watery like this because I was in like 102 degrees outside. So that's probably why it looks so watery. But normally this has like a gel type of consistency to it. But I truly love this product. Like my fingers can glide straight through my hair with no issues whatsoever. It gives my hair so much slip and my hair looks so moisturized. I'm for it. Like, you know, if you tried Believe In, let me know in the comment section below. But I truly love this product and it smells so good. So I'm just applying the Believe In from root to tip like I do all my other products. I'm just working it in, making sure that it touches all the strands of my hair, just like so. So this is something that I normally don't do, but before I apply the next product, I'm going to spray this section again with water. I believe Diva Curl products work so good on soaking wet hair. Next, I'm going to go in with the Diva Curl Archangel Gel. This says it has maximum hold. This is my first time trying this gel. Now, I don't know the difference between this gel and the Ultra Defining Gel. I think both of them give maximum hold, but I haven't tried that product yet, so stay tuned for that review. But I'm just going to use, you know, our typical dime size amount, and I'm going to apply this to my hair. I started off scrunching it in, but then I changed my mind. I'm just applying this directly over the Believe In that I put in my hair before I sprayed it with water. So I'm just applying this to the same section over top of that to give me great definition. And like I said, I love to apply this on soaking wet hair. So I'm just making sure that I scrunch it all through this entire section. You'll notice that I'll constantly spray my hair with water before I apply any more product to my hair, and I will be doing that throughout each section. Look how defined my curls look already. I mean, look how juicy they look. They look so hydrated, and they just, girl, y'all don't know, y'all better try it out, I'm telling you. This is how you know that your wash and go is going to come out really defined, because you can see how your curls look already. I mean, look at the shine, look at the curls, look at the definition. Girl. So I'm going to repeat those same steps to this section. I'm going to wet my hair like I did before. You know, just drench it, soak it, drown it, whatever you want to do. Just make sure you apply as much water as possible to this section. I'm telling you, these products work so good on soaking wet hair. They could have gave y'all a whole shower scene, but you know, it's too time consuming. Y'all don't know how much work it is to set up some camera equipment in your bathroom and making sure that it don't get wet. But anywho, keep on moving with the video. So after I apply the water, you know, I went in with the Believe In, rubbing it all through my hair, making sure we getting all those strands. I did kind of break this section up into subsections just to make sure that I'm getting to the roots of my hair, because I don't want the root of my hair to be really puffy. So I'm just making sure that the product is getting in it. Look at the shine. I just can't get over how healthy my hair look just applying these products. So like I said, again, before I add any more products to my hair, I'm going to apply more water to this section. So I'm soaking this section again. And then I'm going to go in with the Diva Curl Archangel Gel, just like before. I'm just keeping it 100 with you all. I know that the Diva Curl hair products are on the more expensive side of natural hair care products that we all love. That's why you actually see me using a dime size amount. Like, no sis, we ain't wasting this. But you can't beat the results. Like, my hair just looks so healthy and defined. Like, I truly love these products that I'm using in my hair today. But if you go to Ulta and things like that, you can find them in a bundle package. Maybe save you a few coins. So make sure you shop around before purchasing these products. So now that I have finished adding the products to all 4 sections of my hair, I'm just going to let it air dry. It's about maybe 6 o'clock in the afternoon. Yeah, 6 o'clock in the afternoon. So I'm going to wait till my hair get about 90% dry before I tie it up for tonight. So I will be back tomorrow to show you all the final results. It is currently the next morning and hopefully my hair is 100% dry. If you haven't seen my nighttime routine, I will have that linked in the cards above. So definitely check out how I preserve my curls throughout the night. But here is what my hair is looking like. I look like a damn rooster. But this is what my hair is looking like after it's completely dry and I take it down from out of the scarf. So I'm just going to shake my curls to kind of loosen them up a little bit before I start really styling my hair how I want it to be shaped. Coming straight from underneath the scarf, you all can see how much bounce my hair have. I mean, look, you know what? I'm not even going to focus y'all attention to the definition of my hair no more because y'all can see it. But here I'm just checking to make sure I don't have any white flakes because you all know that I mixed the Believe In plus the Archangel gel. And I just want to make sure I don't have any white flakes in my hair. But just look at it. It's so pretty. It's so pretty. So now I'm going to go in with my pick. I haven't used this in a while, but I'm using this just to get my hair to the shape that I want now that I have this, you know, cute little cut. So I want to make sure that I have the shape that I want. So I'm just plucking my hair out because the way I tied my hair up, it was kind of matted at the roots. So I'm just taking my time and fluffing my hair out on each side. I'm just taking the pick and I'm lifting my hair up at the roots because that's what's actually matted down to my hair. But you can see the difference. Look at how full this side looks versus the side that I have not picked out yet. I just love big hair. It just gives me all types of life. I'm telling you, I'm here for it. So I'm just picking out the other side. Hopefully I can get it rounded just like the opposite side because I don't want to be lopsided, whatever you want to call it. But make sure that you take the pick and pluck out the back of your hair as well at the roots so that your curls is kind of lifting up. I like a lot of volume to my hair if you all don't know by now. Whew, girl, that was a lot of work. My arms was killing me. Do you hear me? I fluffed my hair out so much. Whew. Girl, but anywho, look at this shape. This is the shape that I was going for when I was cutting my hair. If you all have not seen how I trim my curls, I will have that linked in the cards above. So definitely check that out. And I did my own little bang or fringe, whatever you want to call it, but I truly like it. People probably wondering like, girl, who want bangs in 102-degree weather? But y'all know, I just be all over the place, but I really like how my hair turned out. I truly love the cut and I'm just happy with it. I do plan on going to the professionals, like I told you all, to get more layers in the back of my hair because that's what I truly want. But I love how my hair turned out. I love the definition. I love the volume. It's so soft and I don't have any white flakes, although I mixed the Believe In and the Archangel gel together. I truly love it. And I want to say thank you all so much for watching my video. I appreciate the constant support and thank you all for subscribing to my channel. If you're new here, don't forget to hit the button and join the fam. Thank you all so much again for watching and I will see you in the next one.